Top apps for a smarter workout routine.
Take your fitness journey to the next level. Discover powerful apps designed to simplify workout planning, tracking, and motivation. These top picks help you organize, monitor, and achieve your fitness goals with ease, making exercise more enjoyable and effective. Whether you're new to working out or a seasoned athlete, the right app can be a game changer.
MyFitnessPal, comprehensive tracking.
MyFitnessPal is a popular all-in-one fitness app. It allows you to log workouts, track nutritional intake, set personal goals, and monitor progress over time. With its extensive food and exercise database, this app makes it easy to understand how your habits impact results, keeping you informed and motivated every step of the way.
Strava, perfect for runners and cyclists.
Strava is ideal for tracking running and cycling activities. Using GPS, it records your routes, speed, distance, and elevation. Engaging community features let you share workouts, compete in challenges, and connect with other athletes. If you love outdoor cardio and want to keep pushing farther, Strava is a top choice.
Nike Training Club, guided workouts.
The Nike Training Club app offers a vast library of video workouts created by professional trainers, with programs ranging from beginner to advanced and targeting everything from strength to flexibility. It provides clear guidance and keeps routines fresh. Personalization options help you find the best workouts for your unique fitness goals.
JEFIT, strength training assistance.
JEFIT is focused on strength training and bodybuilding. It provides a huge exercise database, customizable routines, and detailed progress tracking. The app's analytics help you tweak your workouts for better results, while its community forums offer extra tips and support. It's especially useful if weights and muscle building are your main focus.
Fitbod, smarter adaptive workouts.
The Fitbod creates tailored strength workouts based on your past performance, available equipment, and recovery status. Its adaptive algorithm ensures you're challenged while avoiding overtraining. Fitbod makes planning simple. Just open the app and a personalized workout is ready. It's a great tool if you want variety and efficient progress in your exercise routine.
Choosing the right app for you.
Each app has its unique strengths. Think about your fitness goals, preferred activities, and tracking needs when selecting. Whether you value community, personalized coaching, or detailed analytics, there's an option that fits your routine. Consistency is key. With the right app, organization and motivation are always a tap away.